Hi, this is Saamiya Zulfiqar and you're watching Social Sciences. In this video, we are going to talk about anthropology. Being a human being, we always wonder who we are and how we came into being, why we act in a particular way, and what are the reasons behind it. History also shows that most of the knowledge produced by men revolves around such basic questions. From ancient Greek philosophers to modern day scientists, everyone is trying to find out the answers through their thought experiments or laboratory experiments. But due to limits of knowledge, men are unable to accumulate extensive data concerning his own behavior and background. Therefore, men relied on bodies of myths and folklore to answer these questions. In last 200 years, anthropology emerged as a scientific discipline to talk about human existence, his behavior, and diversity. Anthropology offers a broader view, a distinctive comparative cross-cultural perspective. Most people think that anthropologists study non-industrial societies, and they do. However, anthropology is much more than the study of non-industrial people. It is a comparative science that examines all societies, ancient and modern, simple and complex. Most of the other social sciences tend to focus on a single society, usually an industrial nation such as the United States of America or Canada or Japan or China. Anthropology offers a unique cross-cultural perspective, constantly comparing the customs of one society with those of the others. The word anthropology comes from the Greek word anthropos, which means human beings. So we can say that anthropology is the study of man and its culture. Anthropologists study human beings wherever and whenever they find them. In a Turkish cafe, a Mesopotamian tomb, or a Pakistani shopping mall. Anthropologists study our species from its ancestral beginning, several millions years ago up to the present. We study human beings as they live in every corner of earth, in all kinds of physical, political, and social environments. Anthropology is the exploration of human diversity in time and space. Anthropology studies the whole of the human condition, past, present, and future, biology, society, language, and culture. Of particular interest is the diversity that comes through human adaptability. So we can say that anthropology basically produces knowledge about what makes people different from one another and what we all have in common. It is unfortunate that anthropologists fail to attain the order of the objectivity in the research because he himself is the main part of the study, so it is almost impossible for him to control his biases and achieve same level of objectivity that any botanist or zoologist can attain. The main aim of the anthropologist is to arrive at a realistic and unbiased understanding of human diversity because this is the only way through which we can understand who we are as human beings, our potentials and our perils. In present times, when people from different cultures are increasingly in contact with each other, and when most people in the world live in multicultural and multi ethnic nations, a study of human diversity should be the main objective of social scientists. In other academic disciplines, human behavior is usually studied primarily from the Western point of view. These scholars consider the behavior of people in modern industrial nations of Europe and North America to be the representative of human nature. Anthropologists insist that human nature is not so easily accessible. Human beings everywhere consider their own behavior not only right but natural as well. Over ideas about economics, religion, morality, and other areas of social life seem logical and inevitable to us, but others have found different answers. Take the example of lunch. What should we have for lunch? A burger, rice, or a grasshopper, and hot, muggy worms, all of which are commonly eaten in certain regions of Mexico. The answer of this question shows the logical sense of the individual's worldview. Anthropology brings holistic approach to understand and explain the world view and actions of any individual or a group. Anthropology seeks to understand human beings as whole organisms who adapt to their environment through a complex interaction of biology and culture. Most anthropologists specialize in a single field and a single problem, but together they study the small dramas of daily living as well as spectacular social events. When presented out of context, some of the anthropological study interests may seem silly, but every aspect of human behavior can help us understand human life and society. The broad range of anthropological interest has led to specialization of research and teaching. In the coming videos, we will discuss about the major division of anthropology. So stay tuned to our channel to gain more knowledge about the subject of anthropology. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.